We are fishing for failures. An Ishikawa or fishbone diagram is a simple diagram to organize the potential causes of a particular effect. The key word here is potential, not proven yet. The effect that you base them on should be as specific as possible. This is an effective tool in failure analysis stage. Taking the information from your system analysis and your function analysis, we have the information to build our fishbone. First developed by Dr. Ishikawa, the Ishikawa fishbone diagram is a visual tool used to identify potential root causes and what categories of the process input represents most significant source of variability in the output. A completed fishbone diagram includes a central spine, branches resembling the fish skeleton. The branches are used to categorize the causes either by a process sequence or function. The potential causes are listed in each category and then tested for fidelity using evidence of another analytical tool. The advantages of a fishbone diagram is it shows a relationship between the potential causes, and it's an excellent way to involve people in the problem solving. To create an Ishikawa fishbone diagram, take the flowcharts created in earlier steps and define each of the problems to be solved. The FMEA Project team will look to find all the possible causes of that problem. Having a subject matter expert can accelerate this process. Organize the results into categories. Try to make them logical categories, but they could include the environment, the process, the design, how the components are assembled, the fabrication of it, the facilities located in, the equipment being used, different policies that have been put in place, the workforce, and materials. It can be common to see a fishbone categorized as what we call a 5M plus P, which stands for materials, method, machine, measures, Mother Nature, and people. We'll take a little look at these. First of it is materials. This is the raw materials used in the process and the service, usually information or data of some kind. Methods. This relates to the process procedures, work instructions, how the job is done. Machine. This can include the equipment and tools of all kinds. Measure. Any method for measuring the quality of the process or outputs, including the inspection. Mother Nature. This is an M word. This is the physical and management environment in which the work is done. The marketplace at large of the natural environment. The people. Now this can include anyone involved in the process, including the customers, the employees, the managers, regulators, and shareholders. Build the Ishikawa or fishbone diagram. Start by drawing a box on the right side of a large piece of paper or board. Draw horizontal arrows pointing to the box. Inside the box, write and describe the problem that you're trying to solve. Next, write the names of the categories above or below the horizontal lines. This is that 5M plus P. These give the diagram the appearance of a fish. Draw on the detailed causes data for each of the categories. These will be the bones. Good diagrams have many bones, which reflect a good brainstorming session. Now let's look at an example of our pepperoni pizza company. For example, we will say the pepperoni pizza company has been receiving many complaints about how many pieces of pepperoni are in each pizza. To do this, we want to bring in our team together and start with the problem statement, which is complaints about the lack of pepperoni. Next, we would brainstorm the ideas. One way to help facilitate this is to have one person write, using that 5M plus P approach. Ask the team to list all the reasons and materials is what the reason would be a complaint. Document until all the causes have been written and the ideas have been depleted. Then move on to the next category until the 6 categories have been built. Using this as a starting point, and if more categories are needed, feel free to expand. The objective is to develop as many causes as possible. A good Ishikawa or fishbone will have many bones to demonstrate the list of causes. For an FMEA project, the team can also ask why these are causes or save this information in the optimization and project execution stage if they're valuable, that the team may want to go and determine what the root cause is. This has been a look at the Fishbone Diagram from FME Project.